Hey everybody, this is Eric Clark Travel Videos, and I'm in Plovdiv, Bulgaria. It's my last night here, and I'm leaving. I just did the singing fountain, and so now I figure I might as well walk the longest walkway in all of Europe, the longest pedestrian walkway in all of Europe. Let's do it. And it's Thursday night at almost 10 o'clock, so you know I usually never go out at night. When you have to walk through a bunch of strange neighborhoods and stuff at 10 at night, things get a little goofy. So but there's lots of music playing, so this video is probably gonna get edited or something, but we'll see. Anyway, let's walk it. They're getting ready for something this weekend. Well, this will definitely be a different perspective. Sounds like they got a concert going on. That's that thing I showed the other day. It's like a bazaar market they set up, but are they playing in the ruins, the Roman ruins? Wow.
На вас няма какво да ме обяснявам, вие очевидно се обичате. Но ако видите някой, просто обичате да се обича, бе, не е чак толкова сложно. Този живот е отвратителен, така или иначе.
It says license to feel in the back of it.
Но срещам с любов, вие сме такива, добре? Добре, какво трябва да бъде направено? Две неща. Курс за властта и да го докачим гангстера.
Proszę
love this song. I think that's a Barry Manilow remake. Yeah, maybe it's just time to go home. There's another fountain over here I want to go look at real quick. Wow. That's amazing. Yeah, I think I'm gonna get wet. Yeah, it's starting to rain, so I think I'm gonna call this video a done deal and I'm gonna head home. I still got a ways to hoof. So anyway, this is the main walking street at night. At 10 at night. Is that night? You know, when you're over 50, it's night. Hell, 6:30's at night. Okay, everybody, that's it. Bye.